I welcome you, my dear friends. Now we are the experiment is IC engine motoring test on four-stroke petrol engine. So four-stroke petrol engine, single cylinder four-stroke water-cooled petrol engine is connected with motor. With that motor we are going to running and we are going to putting the load on that one. So first we will put load on that one. The aim of the experiment is to measure that frictional power of given four stroke water cooled single cylinder engine with the help of motoring test. Motoring test means we are going to uh, attach that motor to that petrol engine. So with that help, we are going to conducting one test. So with this experiment, we are going to finding out frictional power, frictional horsepower. We are going to finding out. So what is that? First, we will take it. What is that horsepower? So means apparatus. What is the apparatus? Apparatus is single cylinder, four stroke, water cooled petrol engine, voltmeter and ammeter. So now we will see that procedure. After that, we will go that readings also we will discuss. So here we are having a procedure to conduct that motoring test. First, we have to connect that all electrical connection to that panel. So this is that panel. Here is that panel is there. In this panel, we are going to conducting uh, different loads we are going to conducting over there. So here, this is 500 watts load, this is 500 watts load, this is 500 watts load, 500 watts load. So we are everything we are on. Whenever we are going to put in load on the engine, we are running with the help of motor. So that's why this is called as motor test. Here we are having, here is one dimmer is there. So this equipment setup, this is the knob is there. So this knob, we can put it in on position, and the dimmer, we can slowly, we can from low to high, we can turn that this knob, means a dimmer knob. So whenever you are going to put in that, at that time, the speed of the engine is increased. The speed of the engine is increased. So that for that one. Here is we are going to read it with that voltmeter, how many volts, and with the help of digital ammeter, we are going to reading the ammeter, amps, and then we are going to put in this load. So first of all, we will put it 500 watts. Next 500 watts means at the time 1000 watts totally we are going to putting on that load, and then here we are going to another 500 again. 1500 watts load will be there, electrical load. After the 500 watts, again load will be there, that is the 2000. Up to 2500 we can put it there. So that is the experimental setup. That is experimental setup. So here one more thing is that we have to calculate that with the help of airbox, we are going to finding out mass of the air. Okay, how much mass of the air. So here is also we are having one. We can calculate how, with the help of this manometer reading, we can find out that means mass of the air. So now we will see that procedure of this IC engine motoring test. So what is that first one? To conduct that motoring test, first connected to check that all panels electrical connections are correct or not, we have to check up and remove first of all. And it is I told petrol engine, we have to remove that spark plug. Why we are going to removing the spark plug? We are running with that engine with the help of motor. That's why we are going to removing that spark plug connection. The engine is keep change with the help of motoring direction, so we can increase that one. So, and the third step is that procedure step. slowly decrease that power from both, from charge with the help of dimmer position, with the help of dimmer position I shown. So here is frictional power. How to find out the frictional power of the engine? F is equal to frictional power total plus losses of the motor. So what is that losses of the motor? How we are going to finding out? What is the formula for that one? Number of generator losses, that is 0.38 kilowatts. So FP we are going to finding out that frictional power total is V into I divided by 1000. So we know that that is come under in kilowatts. So we know that IP is equal to BP plus FP. So what is that result of this experiment is the FP of the given 4-stroke single cylinder petrol engine we can find out. So what is that table? We, whenever the engine is running, we have to draw one table. What is that table means? First serial number we can take, and then RPM of the engine, voltmeter and ammeter. So ammeter reading is different, voltmeter reading is different. Voltmeter reading we are going to denoted by V, ammeter reading we are going to denoted by I. So first we can make that up to, we can raise that 1000 rpm, means different rpms we are going to taking. So 1000, 1200, 1400, 1600, like that. So engine is running 1000 rpm. At that time voltmeter reading is 87. Okay, and ammeter reading is 5.17. 5.17. So second one is that 1200. 1200 rpm is 1200, and voltmeter reading is 104, and ammeter reading is 5.66. Okay, at that rpm. So 1400 rpm again, 126 ammeter reading. So fourth one is 1600 and 135, 6.41. So all these things we have to means brake power at 1000 rpm, brake power at 1200 rpm, brake power at 1400 rpm, brake power at 1600 rpm. So with that we know that formula. What is that formula? V into I divided by 1000. V into I by divided by 1000. So first you can take for example 87 is that voltmeter reading, and ammeter reading 5.1. So some calculation, after calculation you will get that 0.4497 kilowatt. Next brake power 104 into 5.66, that is a 0.588 we will get, like that another reading. So totally we can put it, and the average reading we have to find out, that is 0.65. So this with the help of this experiment we can say that we can find out what is that frictional horsepower of the engine. So total frictional horsepower of the engine, we know that formula. Once again I will tell you. Total brake power minus losses of the motor, losses of the motor. So that we can find out. With that we can say that what is that frictional power to the given by to that 4-stroke engine. We can say that, for example what I given that reading is that 0.55, 0.55. So we can, calculated FP1, FP2, FP3, FP4. So FP1 is equal to total FP minus point whatever it may be, that frictional horsepower, that is standard one as per given by that manufacturer. So with the help of this one we can find out that what is that frictional power given is for with the help of motoring test we are going to finding out frictional horsepower. Thank you. And some more Viva voice questions will be there in this experiment. What is that frictional RPM? So what is the formula for frictional power? What is that brake power for this? How to calculate? Means V into I by 1000. like that will be there. What is the formula for frictional power? Where that frictional power will be there. So what is the formula for that one? So this is that very simple experiment and easy experiment for that one to find out frictional horsepower. Okay, thank you.